Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback Mini's rear mud flaps on a 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle, and better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, locate and remove the factory screws on the inner wheel well. When installing, make sure the innermost part of the flap, the mud flap ear, tucks in behind the liner as shown. Next, loosely install the mud flap beginning with the two lower mud flap holes using the provided bolts, large stainless washers, and rubber spacers. In the upper mud flap hole, install the supplied clip, plastic washer, and factory screw. Before tightening, slip a rubber washer in behind the middle clip as shown. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. The inner liner comes to a curve on its underside, which causes the mud flap ear to not sit flush. With scissors or another cutting tool, cut the liner on both sides of the mud flap ear to allow the flap to sit flush with the liner as shown. Next, on the innermost part of the flap, using a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill through the liner and mud flap. Now install the liner to the flap using the provided bolt and washer, and secure it with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.